Hello my friend, I'm Sean. This is a Fix My Home channel. Today I want to talk about how you can clean your air supply and what's behind your air supply. There you go. This is my air supply. As you can see, it look clean, but we don't know what is behind that. So make sure you guys clean your air supply, because probably they have a mold behind that. So it look clean outside. Let's see, as you can see, but behind that we're gonna have mold. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, they have a 2 screw, one here and one here. So you just have to unscrew those and the supply is gonna come out. So I'm gonna do one here. Oops. And one other. There you go. Just see what is behind that. This is all the mold. So when your AC is on, it's gonna go to your, you're gonna breathe that. So that's bad. As you can see inside too. So I'm going to show you how to clean those. Stay with me. Alright, so I take all the supply and I put it outside, and it's ready to be cleaned. As you can see, you know how it was bad. So let's start. Okay, I have a hose with the nozzle. So I'm just gonna use the nozzle on the jet. It's not the jet. Let's change that to the jet. Right? So I'm going to start cleaning all of this. So I'm going to clean all of this and I show you next step. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to remove completely all this. You see? This is a secret. Don't tell anybody. Bleach. I use the bleach. I'm gonna put in the spray I have here and just spray it, and all of those mold is gonna go away. Alright, so I washed the inside and outside. As you can see, there is no mold anymore. I use the bleach. See all of them? That's good. So I'm gonna let them dry. I'm gonna go inside, start vacuum the inside this air supply. I'll show you. Alright, this is my vacuum. So, and I'm gonna start vacuum the inside the air supply. So clean those, but don't worry, those are is not mold. That's normal. So that white thing and black thing is not mold. The mold was only on the cover. So I'm gonna okay, after we're done with cleaning, we put all the air supply here back in the place. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and push the like button. Have a great day.